Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy JB with JB's Barbecue and Guns, and today JB is going to be grilling some fish, but not any kind of fish. He's going to be grilling my brother and I, the Snapper Brothers, the Red Snapper Brothers. So sit back and enjoy. Here we go. All right, y'all. So like one of the Red Snapper Brothers said, we're going to be grilling some whole red snapper today. Now I've already got this pan oil down with some olive oil, so when we put it on the grill, it'll already be ready to go. The first thing we need to do to this fish, I've already had it scaled and everything at the market that we got it from, and it's already been cleaned on the inside and everything. But the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and cut these fins off right here, because they are sharp. So you want to go ahead and cut those off. All right, that in itself, cutting these top fins off was a chore, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all that now. But the next thing we want to do to this fish, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna score it on both sides, and after I score it, we're gonna go ahead and get it rubbed down with some olive oil, and then we'll stuff the inside of it. Alright, as you can see, we got slits cut in both sides of the fish, on both of these fish right here. Then we'll go ahead and get it rubbed down with some olive oil. And all we're going to season it with today is some basic AP, salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. Go ahead and drizzle it on like that. Go ahead and watch yourself, because it is still sharp in some places. Might cut yourself if you're sensitive. So we'll go ahead and get these fish rubbed down with this olive oil. Then we'll be back. Alright, now we're just going to go ahead and season the outside with some JB's AP rub. Like I say, it's just basic salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. Let's get a nice little coat on there. Nothing serious, nothing to it. Alright, now the next thing we're going to do, y'all, is stuff these fish with some fresh lemon slices on the inside. So I'm going to put about 3 of these lemon slices in there. That should be good enough. 2 or 3 of them should be good enough. Looks like 2 of them might be good enough. And we're also going to stuff it with some fresh thyme. And some fresh rosemary. Should be pretty good, y'all. Go ahead and get that all down in there. Now I'll go ahead and do this other one. 1 lemon slice, 2 lemon slice, rosemary, and thyme. And you can put as much in there as you want, but remember, thyme is pretty strong, so you don't want to overdo it. Alright, now the very last thing we're going to do, y'all, is stuff these slits with some of these garlic cloves right here. So we'll just go ahead and put about 2 in each slit, and then we'll come right back. Alright, y'all, we're out here at the pit right now. I got the grill all ready. Coals is all piping hot, sitting at about 400 degrees or so. And we're going to go ahead right now and put these beautiful pieces of red snapper on there. Now, when we put them on there, we're going to put them directly over the coals. And we're going to grill them for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. And then we'll flip them over. Alright, still hear that good sizzle. Alright, now we'll go ahead and close this lid and just let these red snapper cook on there. I've already got the grate oiled up with some olive oil, So we're just gonna let it do what it do. Alright y'all, we finally got this fish off the grill. Now I tell y'all, for my first time doing this, I think it looks okay. I'm gonna turn the camera around and kind of show y'all what I did. I brought it in here and I finished it off with some of this garlic butter right here. And I put some foil over it for about 2 or 3 minutes, you know, just to let it cool down. So now we'll kind of see what it looks like. Alright y'all, as you can see, this fish turned out pretty dang on good. It looks good, but we're going to see how it tastes. As you can see, that garlic butter just kind of melted down all off into the fish. This one right here also looks pretty good. The skin came off a little bit on this one, but that's okay. Still looks pretty good. And now we'll go ahead and taste it. Nice and flaky. Nice and flaky. That's what I like to see. Nice and flaky. Yo, that's pretty dang on good. I mean, you get the garlic. When you get some of the skin, you actually get that AP rub on there. You get the garlic butter. And then just a really nice piece of fish. Really nice and flaky. Really flavorful. I'm really happy with it. So, for my first time grilling whole red snapper or any whole fish period, I think I did okay. You know, I probably could use some improvement, and I will improve on these videos as far as grilling whole fish or fish period, because I will have more fish videos. But today was a learning curve for me, but I think I did pretty good. So, as we always say, this is your boy JB with JB's Barbecue and Guns. Y'all be easy. Peace.